Okay guys, so today we're doing an unboxing video. It's been a little while since I did my last video, but I already unboxed it, as you can probably see. I know what's in it. It's going to be a new thing for fishing, and I'm going to show you what it is. You probably can guess by what the box looks like, but let me open it. So what we have here is a ginormous freaking fishing rod. It's a Zebco A08. What does it say over here? Let's see. So you can see right here, it says it's a 7-foot rod, medium heavy. Line weight is 14 through 30 pounds. Lure weight is 1/2 ounce to 2 ounces. Made in China, obviously. Zebco right there. So I'll use my trusty knife and just cut that. By the way, if you want to check out the brand of this knife, it's called Snake Eyes. It's like a animal brand. This one's the crocodile one. It's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Watch this. Yeah, it's pretty sharp, pretty nice. Let's go over here. See how big this truly is. Oh, and it comes with line too. That's nice. Just really big. Like you can see, it's like obviously like 7 foot long, but that's pretty nice. And that's probably gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed.